today I am going to show you fake faces detection project. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location to run manage.py file. To run manage.py file, we need to type python manage.py run server. When we get this IP address, we need to paste it in browser. So this is our project's index page. This project is divided into three modules: admin, model builder and user. Admin credentials are admin and admin. Admin can upload the dataset. This is the dataset stats. Admin can view all the users who are registered. Admin can also manage the feedbacks. Next module is model builder, and the credentials are builder and builder. Model builder can view all the stats of the dataset. And can pre-process it. Model builder can train the model. These are the model stats. Next module is user. User need to register first. As I am registered previously, I can log in immediately with my credentials. A user can give a feedback to admin about the application, and he can also predict the fake and real images. This is the real image, and this is my prediction history and log out.